Welcome to First Garden, New Gardener. I'm Joy Baird. We've got a nice selection of basil here. So what do you do with it? We've got dwarf basil, large leaf Italian basil, that's almost as big as my hand, opal basil, more large leaf Italian basil, and sprinkled in here we've got a little lavender, nothing major there. So there's a couple of ways in which we can harvest our basil. One, if we want to harvest it and kill the plant, we just pull the plant completely up. But herbs are one of the more expensive items in which you can purchase at the stores, so we want to continue the harvest as long as we can, and they will as long as you keep them hydrated and full sun up to cold temperatures. So on the basil, we typically will see flowering occurring. So what we want to do in that instance is we actually want to physically just go down right here. You see, I'm going to take this whole stem out down to the junction, and that will stimulate more activity in the plant and prevent it from going to seed. That's what will happen. The plant will shut down. So we can utilize those two limbs there, or those two leaves. This one here is another one. We just want to cut these out. Now, if you're in an instance where, let's say right here, you've got a node that's going to be a flower, we can go down and trim that out again. So if you don't have the issue of your plants going to flower, you can come in here and physically just come in, pop off or cut off large leaves like this one here. We just pop them off, cut them off, and you can use them right away. You can dry them, whatever the case is. For the instance of the dwarf basil, we can come in here and basically these are really nice shrubs of basil. So I can come in here and let's go right here so you can see what I'm doing. So for instance here, I would take and cut the central stem out, leaving a good chunk of plant, but taking out the central portion there, and that's going to stimulate more growth. I'll do it again on, let's find one here. Here we go. So this here, I'll trim that out, and what is left is two separate growth tips. So that works out well. And then the opal is the same way. If you got the flowering, you can just take out the whole top, not a problem, or you can simply remove the leaves as you need them. So basil, if you've not grown it, we started most of these from seed indoors, and at the time of planting about 6 to 8 weeks ago,